Hello everyone, my name is Kim and I'm the product specialist in Atomy Singapore. Now there are two products which I would like to introduce to everyone today, which are sustainable in nature, and that's none other than our Atomy Dish Detergent. Did you know that detergents are one of the largest contributors of microplastics in our environment? The presence of microplastics contaminates our Earth's water bodies and ocean, and thereby infiltrates the food chain either directly through consumption by wildlife or indirectly through irrigation and agriculture. Our Atomy Dish Detergent is yet another wondrous product that is created with sustainability in mind. Not only does it clean your greens from those nasty chemicides, its unique makeup is completely forged from natural ingredients, making it incredibly safe to wash out. Due to its natural ingredients composition, you can be rest assured that you won't be washing out microplastics into our ocean. Also, for the mummies and parents out there, you'll be happy to know also that this dish detergent is baby safe as well. Where is the time to save our Earth? Now! And let's do it with these brilliant Atomy products designed with sustainability in mind. Let's all do our parts for the environment. Thank you!